my channel. My recipe that I'm going to share is a cream chicken skewer, also called as Malai Boti. After cutting the chicken into pieces, I put salt and vinegar and massage it evenly to remove all the gooey, fatty residue from chicken skin, and I wash it afterwards. And here are the ingredients that make the chicken so delicious. 1 cup of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of super seasoning, which consists of salt, granulated garlic, onion powder, ground black pepper, and chili powder, 1 tablespoon of milk powder, 2 teaspoons of a fresh crushed chili, 1/2 tablespoon of cumin powder, 3 cloves of minced garlic, and 2 tablespoons of full cream. And then, this is the easiest part of making this cream chicken skewer. Just put all the ingredients into this chicken and mix all together. If you want the taste more spicy, just add more fresh crushed chili or chili powder. Then, mix it well until the ingredients are completely covered the chicken. And after this, I covered with plastic wrap and put inside the fridge. And let it marinate this for about 6 hours. After soaking the chicken into this batter, I used here skewers and placed into this grilling tray, and now it's time for cooking. I'm just grilling here using my oven broiler. I have here the mixed oil. I'm brushing it while grilling so it will keep the chicken juicy and chicken will not dry. And this is it, my Malai Boti. It's cooked extra well done. For you to have this super tasty and juicy cream chicken skewers. The next skewer I grilled, I cooked only in 7 minutes each sides with a temperature of 450 Fahrenheit. I hope that I shared well my Malai Boti recipe, and I will be glad if you will also try this. Once again everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I'm looking forward that everyone enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can leave your comments below, your reaction or feedback for this video. Keep safe everyone. Bye!